The LG V20 is in here, and today I'm showing you guys how to hide your subscriber count on YouTube. So if you guys want to hide your subscriber count from everyone, this tutorial should help you guys out. So if you guys don't want people to know how much, if you guys don't want no one to know how many subscribers that you guys have, this tutorial will help you guys out. So what you guys do is go to YouTube, of course, go to your videos page right here. Go to Studio Bed right here on the left. Click on that, it'll take you to your YouTube Studio right here, so it'll take you guys there. So just hit a second had to load. So also once Studio loads up, go to settings right here. Click on settings right here. Click on that, and then once this box loads up, click on channel right here. Click on channel, and then click on advanced right here, and then you guys will see subscriber account. By default, it does display the subscriber account to everyone. But if you guys want to disable that or hide it, this is the way to do it. So what you do is uncheck this box, and it will hide your subscriber count from everybody except for you. So once you guys have done that, hit save, and it will update that. So when someone sees your video, they cannot see your subscriber account. So if you guys want to hide it from everyone, this tutorial won't do that. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It will smell a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll catch you guys next video. Peace out.